Hello everyone, welcome back to another Roblox Rivals video. Today we're covering the brand new 2026 Summer Update, and I'll be showing you all the latest working Rivals codes that are currently active in the game. After the Summer Update, several older codes are still working, and you definitely don't want to miss any of the free rewards they offer. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because some of the best codes are coming up. Before we get started, I'm also hosting a special Rivals Summer giveaway. One lucky viewer will have the chance to receive any in-game shop item of their choice. Here's how to enter. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment your Roblox username. Watch the video until the very end. Important, if you leave the video early, your giveaway entry may not be counted, so be sure to stay until the end. Now let's jump into the 2026 Summer Update and start redeeming the newest working Rivals codes. Every code shown in this video has been checked and confirmed to be working at the time of recording. If you're new to Rivals and don't know how to redeem codes, don't worry, it's super easy. Simply open the shop menu at the bottom of your screen, tap More, then select Codes. Enter each code exactly as shown on the screen and claim your free rewards. The order doesn't matter, so you can redeem them however you like. All right, enough talking. Let's start redeeming every working Rivals code right now.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. Rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside I left unseen.